Hi guys, how are you? And welcome back to my channel. So today I want to depot my eyeshadows. So over the last couple of weeks I've been looking into efficiencies on how to organize my skincare and makeup and declutter a lot as well, because I'm just looking to be more efficient and have more space available for myself. So what I did is I went ahead and I bought the Morphe Medium C palette. I've already depotted a couple of shades from my Urban Decay Backtalk palette. That was just a trial to see my method that I'm going to show you now works. And now I'm going to just depot my Sultry and my Soft Glam palette. I will probably never remember anymore what the shades are called, but I don't care. So, and I have actually searched on YouTube to find the best method, and most of the people were using heat, but I don't want to use heat because I think it's dangerous. Well, I don't know if my method is less dangerous because I'm using a knife. So what I want to do is I obviously want to depot my eyeshadows. So I have one palette with all my shadows and I have to open just one palette and mix and match my shades instead of having always to open 1, 2, 3 palettes. Anyway, let's get started. So let's start with Sultry. So what I did with my other palette is I took a knife. We call it carpet knife. I don't know what it's called in English. We call it carpet knife. And I'm just basically breaking out the palette. See, step away and make sure you don't scratch the kitchen counter like I do. There's like a lot of glue in there. So you have to get like really... My knife is a bit short. It doesn't go further out than this, so I really have like a really short blade to work with. So, and then you need to do the same on the other side. Just make sure you always have your hands like not where the blade is sliding, and also I'm stepping away quite far from the edge. Yay! And then you just put it in. Ooh, guys, don't do that at home. So palette 1 is done. I did the whole knife into the corner, heave it out thingy. Heave? Is this even an English word? We use it in Germany to heave. Anyway. I'm not going to keep these shades because I really don't use them. So this is what it looks like. Onto the Soft Glam palette. What I'm going to do here is I actually am not going to even bother like breaking the palette. I'm just going to try get these shades out of their position without like even bothering, because it doesn't really matter. Don't be an idiot like me. Don't break your shades. Maybe I should try it with a shade that I don't use so often. Alright, we have 4 more shades left. A lot of them got destroyed. This one got destroyed. This one got destroyed. So I pressed them back, and they're like really easy to press back because they're all like, I think they're all pressed pigments. I'm running out of space, so I don't know what to do. Probably either one of these shades is gonna go, or the highlighter is gonna go. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I'm running out of space, but I definitely want to keep these 4 from the Soft Glam palette. The only shade that has been destroyed and thrown out was the black shade, because I have a black shade from the Sultry palette. I'm going to sort these ones as well into like a gradient or group colors together that go to that look very similar. Never mind. Here we go. Ta-da! Done. All right, let's sort these babies. Doesn't fit anywhere. What to do? So this is from this. This is I think this is steampunk from the Sultry, and this is the golden shade from the. I can keep this one, but I can't keep that one. How annoying is that? Basically playing Tetris. Don't mind me blubbering stuff. You know what? I'm just gonna keep. No, amber. No, I have like. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna use that one. I haven't used it before, and I will not use it now. I'm gonna get rid of these two. So look what we have left in here. Should we keep that one? I'm never gonna use this one. Really don't like this shade, and it does the same. This is super dry, and then it does the same on me like that. Oh yeah, this is not my shade at all. You know what, we're just gonna keep Cyborg because why not? And to be honest, Sultry was easier to depot than Soft Glam, hands down. I don't know why. Ooh, fudge. I don't know why, but they had like more gaps. Cool. That's it. Here we go. Well, this is the mess I made. Cheers to Wednesday, or whatever day you're watching it. I don't even know when this is going live. But here I am, depotted my eyeshadow palettes. Let me just quickly show you. Don't judge. I know most of the shades are broken. Here we go. Look at my hands. I'm like so dirty. I'm gonna go wash my hands. I'm gonna clean the table and go edit this video because I'm really excited to get it launched. And now I'm here with my super efficient eyeshadow palette. More space in the bathroom. Yay! More stuff to buy. Yay! Jokes. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more beauty videos, lifestyle, or videos about migrating to Australia or to the UK, hit subscribe and give me a like, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.